And now, your First Alert Storm Center forecast.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks so much for clicking on WDTV.com. I'm meteorologist Pierce Legion, giving you an update on the weather that's continuing to roll through the area. We have one last line of thunderstorms which will roll through the area. Looks like early this afternoon. This line does have a history of wind gusts of 30, at times up to 40 miles per hour. Definitely some heavy rain. A lot of lightning and thunder with it as well. No reports of any hail with it, though, but this will continue working its way eastward. And I'm thinking generally along and south of Route 50 is where we are going to see this last line of thunderstorms work through. You notice back off toward the north and west, we do have a pretty healthy area of rain as well. We'll see that extend into the late afternoon hours. So a light to at times moderate rain after this line of thunderstorms comes through later on this afternoon. And keep in mind, this radar image is shortly before noontime. Things will definitely progress as we head later into the afternoon hours. We do have a number of advisories and warnings to alert you to as well. Still flash flood warnings up for the counties you see shaded in red. These do now run through 3:30 this afternoon. Are expecting some additional heavy rainfall as these thunderstorms do roll through. Generally a half an inch to maybe as much as an inch in some locations. So that could unfortunately make the flooding concerns that we have further south even worse. And across all of north central West Virginia, we do have flash flood watches up. These do run through later on this afternoon. And again, we do have the threat really anywhere for the flash flooding here across north central West Virginia. And that is going to be our main concern as we head to the rest of the afternoon hours. Fortunately, that looks like as we head toward the evening, things will start to quiet down. Do also want to alert you to that we have a severe thunderstorm watch, which is up for much of north central West Virginia. This runs through 2 o'clock this afternoon. And we're just getting word from the Storm Prediction Center that they are likely to extend this a little bit further east into places such as perhaps Tucker, Randolph, Webster, and Pocahontas counties. But we'll keep you updated through the afternoon if that ends up happening as well. So what can you expect as we head to the rest of the afternoon? We're expecting stronger thunderstorms to work through. No severe weather necessarily expected, but as we head through about 3 to 4 o'clock this afternoon, some of these storms could have wind gusts of 40, maybe up to 50 miles per hour. That looks like it might be a little bit of a stretch for most of us, if not all of us. Some small hail, a possibility, although that looks very, very unlikely as we get to the afternoon, and definitely some heavy rain. We are expecting, again, up to an inch of additional rainfall on top of the 1.5 to 2 inches that we've seen in some places, especially south of Route 33 this morning. So flash flooding could be a big concern as we head right through your afternoon and evening hours for today. Of course, we'll keep you updated here on in the First Alert Storm Center and online at WDTV.com. 7-day forecast looking much better, though. Clouds and sun for tomorrow. A couple of isolated showers, 73. Looking nice for most of the weekend. A couple of pop-up thunderstorms Sunday afternoon. Looks like a better chance for rain does come on Monday and Tuesday. Of course, stay with us at WDTV.com for the latest weather updates throughout the afternoon.